Guys, we have Pink Floyd, The Dogs of War, Delicate Sound of Thunder, Remastered 2019. I do not know this. This is a first reaction. This is also, I think, not from the Pulse concert, so this is new. And the requester on McLean, thank you very much, said that it's going to be a little bit different than what we're used to from Pink Floyd. So I'm very curious. Let's just get right into this. And don't forget to check out the original artist. And if you want to get your request done, check the description down below. The Dogs. Like an anti-war Okay, that's very different, this vibe.
Discovery is to be disowned. Our currency is flesh and bone.
Okay. Some power.
Open up and put on sale. Get around and haggle. For hard cash we will lie to see. Don't know the webs we weave. One ride, it's a battleground.
Backing vocals.
We will smash it down. Invisible transfers. Distance calls, hollow laughter in marble halls. Steps have been taken, a silent uproar. To unleash the dogs of war. The cast iron has begun. Science seal, they deliver oblivion. To say the least, dealing in death is the nature of the beast. It's a battleground. One world, they will smash it down.
That is so cool, man. Look at all the lights. Okay, a little bit bluesy. switch. Ah. Saxophone is killing it. That's so cool. Is that it? Oh shit. This is again the same effect I had before when I'm watching Pink Floyd, listening to Pink Floyd doing this live performance. Time I don't know, skips faster. I'm living live in 2 times speed. That felt like a minute. That felt like a minute or two. You know what I'm saying? That was not 8 minutes, gang. I don't know how we did this. But that was not. And this is also a big surprise to me because it's in that blues, that boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Almost like that. Like Black Velvet a little bit. But hey, that was Pink Floyd, The Dogs of War, Delicate Sound of Thunder. Thank you so much for this request. I really appreciate it. It's been a really good watch. Something else than the Pulse concert as well.